If you're a Thailand Privilege member, you already know your membership comes with a ton of perks. But with so many benefits, keeping track of them all can be overwhelming. That's where the Thailand Privilege app comes in. It makes accessing and redeeming your benefits easier than ever. Hi, I'm Pear from Siam Legal. Whether you're new to the Thailand Privilege program or a long-time member, the official Thailand Privilege app helps you make the most of your membership right from your phone. In this video, we'll walk you through how to download, register, and use the app to unlock exclusive privileges, book services, and even manage your family's benefits, all with just a few taps. So let's dive in. The Thailand Privilege app is available for iOS and Android devices, making it simple to manage everything in one place. To get started, just search for Thailand Privilege in the Apple App Store for iPhone and iPad users, or in Google Play Store if you're on Android. Once you find it, download and install. It's completely free with no subscription fees. After installing, you'll need your passport number and Thailand Privilege member ID to sign up. And for the login method, you can either create a new account with a username and password or connect your Google, Facebook, or Apple ID for a quick sign-in. Then for extra security, set up your login credentials, add a security PIN, and take a quick selfie to verify your identity. Once you've completed these steps, you're ready to start exploring your Thailand Privilege perks. And if your membership includes family members, you can add their cards to your app so you can manage everything in one place. Now that you've logged in, it's time to make the most of your membership. Right on the home page, it will show features like privilege point balance, exclusive offers, and upcoming bookings. From there, you can also find Privileges tab to browse available perks, from luxury hotels to VIP airport services, and Booking tab to manage and track all your past and upcoming reservations. It's always recommended to book in advance to avoid scheduling conflicts or availability issues. One of the best features of the app is how effortlessly you can book and redeem your privileges. Here's how it works. Booking a perk in advance is simple. First, open the Privileges tab and search for the perk you want. Once you find it, tap Choose Your Redemption to see the available options. You can select your preferred date, time, and payment method, privilege points or cash. Finally, hit accept, and all that's left is to wait for the vendor to confirm your booking. And just like that, you're all set to enjoy your perks with these. If you want to check and manage your reservations, simply head to the Booking tab to see your reservations. If your plans change, you can easily modify or cancel a booking. And if you want to bring more guests along, you can add extra guests if your membership allows it. When it's time to use your benefit, you won't need paperwork or printed vouchers. Just open your booking confirmation in the app. Next, tab Claim to generate a QR code. Present the QR code to the vendor for scanning, then provide the one-time passcode or OTP. Send to your phone to the vendor for verification. And that's it, you're in. Whether it's an exclusive spa day, a first-class airport transfer, or VIP dining, your Thailand Privilege membership makes the process seamless. Beyond booking perks, the app also lets you upgrade your membership to unlock more benefits, track your privilege points balance and upcoming perks, set reminders for important deadlines like visa renewals or 90-day reports, leave reviews on perks to help improve services, and finally, enable push notifications for booking confirmations, special offers, and updates. If you're not yet a Thailand Privilege member, now is the time to join. With the Thailand Elite Visa and hundreds of luxury perks, it's an experience like no other. At Siam Legal, we're an official General Sales and Services Agent, or GSSA, for Thailand Privilege. That means we offer free application assistance and can get you approved faster than applying on your own. Already a Thailand Privilege member? Join our referral program and earn rewards for helping others enjoy the benefits. That's all for today. If you found this helpful, click the links below to contact us for expert guidance. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe for more Thailand Privilege insights and updates. สวัสดีค่ะ